If you're currently renting a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment at $5,000 a month, you may be able to own this beautiful condo for the same amount monthly. Let me explain. Now, I can't give you tax advice because I'm not licensed to do so, but what I would love for you to do is vet what I'm about to tell you with your trusted advisor, and if this scenario makes sense, this home could be yours. Let's chat about it. If you have a gross annual household income of $210,000, your federal and state tax liability may be approximately 35.2% or $73,920 annually. If you own a home, the allowable interest and property tax deductions would be approximately $60,000. In this scenario, your taxable income would drop from $210,000 to $150,000. At $150,000, you would likely be taxed at 34.1%, thereby reducing your tax liability to approximately $51,150 per year. Subtracting the annual tax liability of $73,920 from $51,150 would result in a tax savings of $22,770 or $1,897.50 per month. Now let's put this into perspective. If you purchase this condo at $1.1 million with a 25% down payment, depending upon interest rate, your credit profile, and other obligations, your monthly payment, including principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and HOA fee, would be $6,878.40. Subtract the monthly tax savings, and the effective monthly payment would be approximately $4,980.90. Sounds appealing, right? Let me give you a tour. Unit 8 at the Park Village complex is located at 321 Easy Street in Mountain View. This cozy condo is a second-story unit consisting of 2 bedrooms and 2 recently remodeled bathrooms. Other features and benefits include new interior paint, laminate flooring, dual-pane windows, recessed lighting, indoor washer and dryer units, and a tastefully updated kitchen, including new cabinets and appliances. The unit also comes with a 1-car garage and a dedicated parking space. Buyers will also enjoy the home's proximity to Wishman Park, VTA, Caltrain stations, Stevens Creek Trail, and downtown Mountain View. It is also worth mentioning that the home is located less than a 5-mile drive from Google headquarters and less than a 10-mile drive from Facebook headquarters. With easy access to 101 and 237, getting to other major high-tech companies in the area is easy and convenient. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for more information on new Bay Area real estate listings and more. I'm Darlene Perry, your San Francisco Bay Area real estate connector. I'll see you next time.